Hey everyone, my name is Chad Hergott. I'm the physical therapist here at Ham Lake Physical Therapy.
And I'm Bree Curtis. I'm a physical therapist assistant.
And today we want to talk to you about our Balance, Dizziness, and Vertigo workshop. When's it happening, Bree?
It's happening on Thursday, December 12th. It's going to be here at 5:30 to 6:30. They're not going to be able to read that. It's going to be scrolling below.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. All right. Oh, see, look at that. So it is from 5:30 to 6:30 on December 12th. It's a Thursday. Tell everyone you know. Sign up. You can sign up in the link below here. I think there'll be a link below. We're going to talk about the common causes of dizziness. We're going to talk about what you can do about it, and maybe a physical therapy can provide you with some relief. And we're also going to talk about different fun things that we can't really talk about right now because it is very super secret. And you're going to learn a lot, have a good time. Sign up, and we'll see you on December 12th.